Welcome. In front of me I have iGPSport LW10 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon, and if you want to enable it, tap on the icon, tap on turn on, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You have access to time and I believe date. Come on, disappear so I can see the home screen. Yeah, time and date, and the battery level. Rest is kinda locked, so you can't use it to save as much power as you can. And to exit the power saving mode, you need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for more than 3 seconds. Basically until you see the normal watch face on the screen. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.